वेलकम टू बॉलीवुड स्पायर। दिस इज रोशनी और आज हमारे साथ है दिव्या अग्रवाल और रंजित दे। स्वागत है आपका बॉलीवुड स्पायर में।
Thank you so
Hi,
much.
hi Roshni. Hi Rajit.
Hi Divya, what's up?
Alright, तो सबसे पहले हम ये जानना चाहते हैं कि ये जो सॉन्ग सामने आया है, आप दोनों के डांसिंग मूव्स बहुत ही प्यारे लग रहे हैं। हालांकि सॉन्ग पहले भी आ चुका है और उसके बाद वापस आ रहा है, लेकिन फिर भी पूरी फ्रेश लग रहा है सॉन्ग। क्या किस तरह का फीडबैक आप दोनों को मिला है, कैसा लगा?
Divya, go for it.
Rajit will always push me first to go for it. Always.
Yeah, ladies first, yeah.
I feel even though the song has come out, our song looks completely another song altogether because dono ka mood is quite different and quite opposite to each other. Here in our video, actually Rajit when he was choreographing the song, तो एक beat पे Rajit ने सब कुछ किया है, and it's quite different from the usual one. So I think I enjoyed it because this is one of my best dancing numbers I've ever performed. And Rajit ki choreography ko match karna was a big tension for me, but we have come out successfully. Hence, the video looks nice.
कमाल किया आपने दिव्या, कमाल किया आपने. For me personally, if you ask me, for me because we shot this around 7 months back, so we didn't know that this is gonna be like a second video. We were approached in a way that's gonna be a video that you both will be featuring in it and stuff like that. So my thought was not कि ये गाने के बाद आने वाला गाना है. It is the song. So we have done the best to what the song जो गाना है उसके लिए हमने अपना बेस्ट दिया है. एंड ऑब्वियसली हम दोनों ने उसमें बहुत मेहनत करी है, वेदर इन टर्म्स ऑफ डांसिंग, वेदर इन टर्म्स ऑफ द सेट्स और केमिस्ट्री, सारी चीजें हम लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे से की है. इस वजह से ये बहुत अच्छा लग के आ रहा है, एज इन लोगों को बहुत पसंद भी आ रहा है बिकॉज द सॉन्ग का जो मूड है, जो वाइब है, वो एग्जैक्टली निकल के आया है सॉन्ग में. इट्स अ क्लब ट्रैक, it's a very peppy dancing track and you want to feel like dancing the moment you hear the first beat, जो हम लोगों ने किया है. And I think that's the whole point of people loving it and I've been getting so many good messages. Obviously Divya के fans मुझे मेरा Instagram hack कर दिया है Divya के fans ने, but apart from that,
the hook step is really going crazy. I mean, when I saw the hook step for the first time, I was like, wow, this looks like ooh. So all of them are enjoying the hook step and I think that's the biggest achievement.
Yeah, so mind-blowing feeling है and I'm very happy.
बिल्कुल। दिव्या, हम आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि कितना मुश्किल रहा आपके लिए रजत के साथ डांस करना। सिर्फ आप भी बहुत ही अच्छे डांसर हैं एंड रजत के बारे में कौन नहीं जानता है।
So I am a very different sort of dancer. I usually like the typical Bollywood wala, masti wala, Ganpati Visarjan dance. I mean, I'm in that zone, you know, bhangra and stuff. But then जब रजत की choreography मैंने देखी, the first thing that came out of my mouth, ये हो पाएगा मुझसे like within a week. And Rajat was like, हाँ हो जाएगा, just come for the rehearsals on time and you know, just dedicate yourself completely to this project and it'll come out great. And when my first class, literally I could not pick up one thing. And I was so angry at myself. मैं घर गई, मैंने homework किया. Literally the next day when I came, I'm like, Rajat, आज मैंने किया है and I'm very confident about what I've done yesterday. So I think Rajat was constantly, you know, monitoring my performance and monitoring my progress.
नहीं, मुझे सिर्फ एक ही चीज का ध्यान था, बस दिव्या का ख्याल रखना है पूरे गाने में, बिकॉज इट्स जस्ट मी एंड हर. सो मेरा कोई माइंड डाइवर्ट नहीं हुआ था. इट वाज जस्ट अबाउट गेटिंग दिव्या टू परफॉर्म द बेस्ट. बहुत अच्छा करती है वो, ऐसे ही झूठ बोल रही है कि नहीं आ रहा था, ये है वो है बस.
Is it?
नहीं, एज इन फर्स्ट डे थोड़ा स्ट्रगल हुआ. I agree to that. फर्स्ट डे थोड़ा स्ट्रगल हुआ, but no, from the second day she was like rocking it. Well, maybe it was because ये लॉकडाउन के टाइम के बाद का है ना. लॉकडाउन जब थोड़ा सा खुल गया था and we were allowed to shoot, तो घर हम बैठे थे, right? घर हम बैठे थे, कुछ करे नहीं थे. We weren't working so much and all of a sudden you come into a rehearsal hall and you want to dance so much. किसी का भी ऐसा थोड़ा सा फीलिंग होता है, मेरे साथ भी होता है. When I go to compose the song, the first day, can I say? I mean, sorry, I'm like shit comes out. So नहीं हो पाता है. First day is always a very slow kind of a day, but then from the second day it picks up.
Yeah, it takes time to set the mood, I guess. So,
yes, definitely.
उस जगह सब कुछ समझ जी. रजत, हम आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, since इस गाने से आप अपना एक्टिंग डेब्यू भी कर रहे हैं, why did you choose this song? Like ये गाना few days back Siddhartha and Archie were featured into this. Why did you choose this song?
ये actually this song came to me and the director had approached me. He said कि ये गाना choreograph करना है. There's this music label which the actress is already locked, and he was talking to me and explaining about the song and stuff. So लंबा स्टोरी नहीं बोलूंगा, सीधा कट करके बोलूंगा कि I asked him कि इसमें हीरो कौन है. So he was like कि अभी तक फाइनलाइज नहीं है. And I heard the song and I loved the song, and I was like कि गाना बहुत अच्छा है. But somewhere down the line I felt maybe I cannot do justice because of the production value which you need, because I've been used to doing songs with a certain budgets. मतलब बहुत ही प्रोफेशनल वे में, because he's approached me as a choreographer. So I was like कि it might not meet the necessary stuff, but he was like कि would you mind performing in the song like an actor? So I was like कि यार मेरे को गाना फिर से सुनने दे. I heard it like couple of times and I fell in love with the song. I was like, it's Vishal's voice. The composition is absolutely mind blowing. And this is during the night. It's like somewhere around 11:30, कुछ 11:30 बजे थे, and I was listening to the song non-stop, and I fell in love with the song. I was like, this is it. Yeah, I am ready to do it. And this is also during छोड़ देंगे. मैं rehearsals करा था नौरा के साथ. So the next day I went and met her. मैंने उनको गाना सुनाया, and I said कि ऐसा ऐसा एक project आया है. What do you think? She heard the song. First 30-40 seconds, she's like, do it. And I'm like, are you sure? She's like, do it. I'm telling you, do it. So obviously मेरा एक feeling था. First instinct आया कि this is a great song. Plus she was there, she pushed me. She was like, no, do it. I know you will kill it. So yeah, that's why I decided this song. इसके पहले किसी ने approach भी नहीं किया ऐसे कि why don't you be there in the song? So this was the first time somebody approached me, and I felt like this is the right chance, and I feel really blessed. And I would like to thank my friend Udit who actually approached me for the song. उन्होंने मुझे दिखाया दिव्या का photos और videos सारे दिखाया, and I was like, oh my god, super good. Are you sure you want to cast me? He was like, no, I am 100% sure I want to cast you.
Divya, since your fans are waiting so much कि आपका Bollywood debut कब होने वाला है? They need an answer for this.
आ रहा है, बहुत जल्दी आ रहा है.
I definitely let you guys know for sure. Because usually right now my goals are more towards web series, because ये lockdown ने इतना तो सिखाया है कि theater पे movie आए ना आए TV पे जरूर आ सकती है. तो
सबके घर में.
Yeah, so I think
phone पे, it's
phone पे, right.
Right.
It's so accessible. So I was actually looking out for, since past 2 years, I've been looking out for such projects which has a little meaning to it. The character should have a meaning to it. My acting skills should be clearly seen. Otherwise, I am not performing this. I don't want to do any kind of role which is not asking me to, believe that I'm an actor. मेरे को चाहिए था कि मुझे और अच्छा मिले और better मिले. So I think there is one web series in line which is coming very soon. I hope that goes well. I've put in a lot of efforts. Let's see what happens.
So Rajat, this one is for you, क्योंकि मैंने एक इंटरव्यू में ऐसा देखा था कि आपने ऐसा कहा है कि जब भी कोई गाना रिलीज होता है, इनफैक्ट तो जो म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर्स होते हैं, एक्टर्स होते हैं, उन्हें पूरी कर्टेसी दी जाती है, लेकिन कोरियोग्राफर्स को उतनी कर्टेसी नहीं देती जाती है. इनफैक्ट उनका नाम भी जल्दी नहीं आता है सामने. So what made you say that? Since आपको इतना साल भी हो गया है इंडस्ट्री में.
Yeah, because there's a lot of times where I have to tell the production house, कि at least because the song is a dance number. Like आप लोग का गाना में डांस है, आप लोग के गाने में डांस ही चल रहा है और लोग डांस कर रहे हैं. Obviously क्रेडिट्स तो सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट सिंगर्स और डायरेक्टर्स को ही जाते हैं, म्यूजिक कंपोजर्स को ही जाते हैं. But at the same time people also enjoy the dance, so they should be given their due credit. तो एक आध बारी ऐसा मुझे लगा कि यार ये थोड़ा सा it should change. Like there are a lot of things which is changing in the industry, and it's all about when only when you speak there is the change. तो अभी तो फिलहाल ऐसा है नहीं, but it used to be like earlier in my stage I had to tell people, but touch wood, right now I'm doing pretty well in my career and I've come a long way from where I started. So अभी तो फिलहाल सब सही चल रहा है, but yeah, obviously yes, there should be the choreographer's credit given to any song which has dance, and when people are dancing that steps anywhere, in houses or in clubs or in the car or wherever, that person should be given the credit.
दिव्या, this one is from your fans, क्योंकि वो ये जानना चाहते हैं कि आपको बिग बॉस ऑफर हुआ था, इनफैक्ट आपको और वरुण को साथ में भी ऑफर हुआ था. Why didn't you be part of Big Boss?
I think I have shown myself, my personality very much clear in my previous shows. Ace of Spades भी एक personality show था. Now I have shown most of my characteristics. मेरा गुस्सा, मेरा प्यार, मेरा fighting spirit, मेरा रोना धोना, everything. So I think my audience pretty well know what kind of a person I am, and I feel that reality shows like Big Boss, Ace of Spades, all of these personality reality shows, they actually show the celebrity how they are in their real life, how they are reacting when given in a situation. तो मेरे लिए वो हो चुका है. आई थिंक मेरा कोटा खत्म हो चुका है. जब 2-3 साल बाद वापस मैं कुछ बदल जाऊंगी, मे बी तब दैट वुड बी द टाइम व्हेन आई वुड वांट कि पीपल, यार ये वाला नेचर मेरा देखना जरूरी है लोगों को, तो मे बी देन, बट देन आई डोंट फील लाइक इट्स अ नीड राइट नाउ. I'm pretty much happy and I want to concentrate on acting careers. I don't want to, because reality shows, you don't go in the reality shows for 1, 2 or 3 months. You invest an entire year, because उससे पहले की तैयारी और उसके बाद का जो problems or controversies और ये वो, you get so caught up in all of those things that you lose the time and the value of your actual profession. So I think मैंने बहुत कर लिया है वो, and I want to really now focus on acting and dancing again.
Alright, Rajat, this one is for you. आपका एक वीडियो आया था टाइगर श्रॉफ के साथ जो कि बहुत ही ज्यादा वायरल हुआ था, कैसनोवा, and people have loved it. इनफैक्ट मैंने बहुत सारे ऐसे कमेंट्स भी देखे जहां पर वो रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे थे कि वो आपको और वरुण को फुल फ्लेजेड सॉन्ग में देखना चाहते हैं. तो वो कब होने वाला है?
I have no idea, but this beginning of this year we met, like Tiger and me had rehearsed a couple of times. हम लोगों ने कुछ prepare किया था just to practice and keep the momentum going, because he's a very hard working boy. तो सुबह उठते हैं, workout करते हैं, gymnastics करते हैं, and also trains dancing अलग अलग teachers से. So he wanted me to train him a bit. तो वो वाला session मैंने किया उनके साथ, and I definitely love to collaborate with him in I want to choreograph some song for his movie. तो मैं भी वेट ही कर रहा हूँ, because obviously अभी लॉकडाउन है, तो everyone's just waiting. मैं भी वही कर रहा हूँ, just waiting, but soon something will happen. हाँ जी.
Rajat, I have a request.
जी.
मेरे साथ you did your first song, so I have that much right to ask you one thing. ऋतिक रोशन के साथ जब भी वीडियो करेगा, please call me. I'll be your assistant. I'll be the girl handling sound. I'll be the girl handling light. Whatever you tell me. Any chai bhi bana.
You want to be on the set, right? Huh? You want to be on the set, right? ये करूँगी, वो करूँगी, क्या जरूरत है? You are welcome. You are welcome. Yeah. Just come there and sit. Just come there and sit and watch.
कोविड में सिर्फ उन लोगों को एंट्री मिलती है जिनका जरूरी काम होता है.
तो मास्क पहन के बैठो, मास्क पूरा वो पीपी किट पहन के बैठो.
और ऋतिक मुझे कैसे देखेगा यार?
नहीं, I think थोड़े दिन बाद.
I love his dancing. I think he's
I love him too.
God on earth, yaar. I mean,
I love him too. Like first 15 minutes तो मैं खाली उनको देखता हूँ, फिर कुछ बातें करना स्टार्ट होता
है ना?
So हाँ, सोचना पड़ता है क्या. अच्छा हाँ, मैं सिखाने आया था डांस, अच्छा सर अभी ये कर. And then he keeps talking and I'm just looking at him.
Yeah.
It's too good.
Alright. जैसे आप सिर्फ जितने दिन हो गए हैं खतरों में, वो वहाँ पे कीटम है और काफी सारे स्टंट्स भी कर रहे हैं, उनको शायद चोट भी लगी थी. So would like to know from you किस तरह से आप दोनों अपना बैलेंस बनाए हुए रखते हैं. और अभी एक वीडियो भी आया था निक्की के साथ जिससे वो उन्हें ऐसे पुल कर रहे थे अपने एक्सरसाइज के लिए. How does it feel? कैसे अपडेट करते हैं आपको?
वरुण को मौका मिलेगा तो वो दुनिया का जितना भार है वो सब ट्राई करना चाहेगा कि वो उठा सकता है या नहीं, because somewhere in the heart he genuinely knows he is a superman. वो अपने आप को ऐसे मानता है कि हाँ भाई सुपरमैन नहीं, rather I would call him Deadpool. He is very funny. He's a funny guy. People love him when he's on any show. I think Varun's USP is के उसको देख के उसपे प्यार आता है. So I think I'm just loving the way everybody is bonding in the show. I'm so happy Varun keeps talking about वरुण के लैंग्वेज में बात करें, श्वेता दी, दिव्यांका दी, निक्की, then Sana and Vishal. Vishal has become his ultimate favorite guy on this planet, and he is just talking about him. So I think I really enjoy the kind of masti they're doing, and I was expecting such kind of mastis because he is a big bully. Varun is a big bully. वो बहुत परेशान है. He's like that school kid you don't want in your class.
So, दिव्या, जैसे कि हमने आपसे पूछा खतरों के बारे में और वहाँ पे बहुत तगड़े तगड़े कंटेस्टेंट्स भी आए, लेकिन वरुण वो तो ऑलरेडी एमटीवी में मचा चुके हैं. तो I would like to know from you क्या लगता है उनका कंपटीशन कौन हो सकता है?
I would genuinely want रोशनी कि तुम लोग वरुण का नंबर ले लो और ये सारे सवाल उससे करो, because I am tired of answering on behalf of him, I swear. But just to tell you that I think Varun has got a lot of advantages. Him being from that background where it's the same as Rajit, I think. Rajit, when you were choreographing the song and you were also an actor, so you know the basics of, behind the camera, how it works, and, like when you on camera, how it works. So when task was being prepared on roadies, जब हम दोनों insiders थे, हम बैठ के task बनाते थे. We used to plan strategies about how a contestant would feel and what would go through and how do we do this. So I think he has got that advantage. I'm 100% sure when he is looking at a task, he would find loopholes, he would find good ways to accomplish that task. And I think that's his advantage. The biggest disadvantage is he is huge. So he might, break things or probably, do a lot of damage to everybody around.
Right. So, since guys, आपके song को बहुत ही अच्छा response मिला है. What is your message for all your viewers and fans? Please go ahead.
Again, I'm waiting. ऐसे सुन रही हूँ मैं.
Yeah. No, Divya, you start.
So I think this is all because of I think Rajit has a lot of students worldwide. I would say I've seen videos from every corner of the nation, and everybody is trying to do the choreography. It makes me feel amazing. And कल ही मैंने जब देखा नौरा और रजत ने भी डांस किया, मैं तो भाई मतलब I went crazy. I mean I was so happy that the queen dancing herself. So to the fans, I would just like to say that thank you so much for all the support you guys have been giving to the song. And even though we have shot this song with so much pressure and so many problems, and also what the world is facing right now, especially India, and they've still, managed to pull themselves together and support us, even though, we know every family has a story, every family is going on with some stories. And even though uske baad bhi people are, supporting the song, I feel really proud of myself that I must have done something right in my life that, I could kind of family support.
Rajat?
Yeah, I just want to thank each and everyone for loving the song. हम लोगों का गाने को 1 million व्यू हो चुका है. Like it's just been a week. Already ये गाना आ चुका है. Still another song comes in and then you have showered all your love. You've loved both of us. You've loved Divya, you've loved me, you loved the dancing. And I think somewhere down the line, dancing makes people really happy. मतलब कितना भी लोग थोड़ा upset हो, कुछ भी हो. I've got requests from people. सर प्लीज ऑनलाइन डांस सिखाओ, हम वैसे भी बहुत स्ट्रेस में है, शायद हमें आपसे कुछ डांस सीखने मिलेगा तो हमको थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स फील होएगा. एंड आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट रैंडम पीपल, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द पीपल आई नो एंड दे हैव लिटरली गोइंग थ्रू अ वेरी bad time, but still they want to kind of change the mood, at least through the medium of dancing. So this is the right time for them to enjoy something which makes them happy, and ये गाना बहुत right time पे आया है. जहाँ पर लोग घर पे ही है और करीब ज्यादा जा नहीं सकते, बट अपने अपने जो भी है आसपास में फैमिली है या खुद अकेला करना है, प्लीज प्लीज सेंड अस मोर लव और गाना देखिए और डांस करिए। जो हमारा हुक स्टेप चैलेंज भी चल रहा है इंस्टाग्राम पे वो और करिए, रील्स में अपलोड करिए, हम लोग डेफिनेटली उसको शेयर करेंगे, तो आप लोगों को भी खुशी मिलेगी और उससे ज्यादा खुशी एक्चुअली हमें मिलेगी।